Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Coinbase debit card. I'm going to tell you everything that I love about it, all of the things that I dislike about it, and I'm going to show you how to earn a very good reward just for paying certain things like your rent, groceries, gas for your car, etc. This card is awesome and let me tell you why. So the first thing I love about this debit card is how easy it is to use. You simply connect your bank account by clicking on Add Funds, or if you're in the app, you can click on Add a Payment Method, and you can very easily link your bank account, your PayPal account, or whatever to this card and deposit funds using that method. The next thing I love about this card is how easy it is to earn 4% in cryptocurrency rewards. So far to date, in the last month, I have earned $43.39 in cryptocurrency, and that's just from using this card. One big thing that the Coinbase card has that other cards don't have is that you can actually pay your rent using this card. Normally, with paying your rent, you cannot use a credit card. You have to use a bank transfer or something like that. But now with this debit card, you can pay your rent and earn 4% back on whatever your rent is. So for me, my rent is just a little bit under $1,700 a month. So when I multiply that by getting 4% back in rewards, I will be earning $68 in rewards just from using this debit card to pay my rent. If you multiply that by 12 to see what you would get back for the whole year of paying your rent with this card, $816. So the next time you go to pay your rent and you're going to use your bank account, think again, apply for the Coinbase card, and start using this card to earn 4% back on that rent payment. It is a very good feeling when you get back a certain amount of money paying your rent. Some other great things that I love about this card is how easy it is to fund the account. After connecting your bank account or PayPal or whatnot, you can simply transfer funds from that source into your Coinbase card account, and you can start using those funds immediately. There is absolutely zero annual fee. And if you do end up paying your rent and you deposit over $100, you'll actually receive $10 in extra free Bitcoin. So keep that in mind. Now there are only three things that I dislike about this card. The first is that it's a prepaid card, so you can't spend money that doesn't exist in your account. You have to have money in your account before you can spend it. So if you don't have any money in your bank account or your PayPal account, you won't be able to use this card. Second thing that I don't like about the card is that you have to have a minimum balance of $100 if you are going to fill your car up with gasoline. Otherwise, if we scroll down here and we look at this charge right here, I tried Costco gas for twice and it was declined for both of them because of insufficient funds. So you must have $100 balance if you're going to go fill up your car. And the last thing that I don't like about the card is that the physical card that you get in the mail after you have applied and you receive your digital card, the physical card is a bit cheap. It's very thin and flimsy, but who cares? You can use this digital card with Apple Pay or Google Pay, and you really don't have to ever use your physical card unless the merchant requires it. But overall, this is a really great card. I've loved using it. I've already earned $43 in cryptocurrency rewards, and I am looking forward to paying next month's rent with this card so that I can earn another $68 in cryptocurrency rewards just from using it. So if this is something that sounds exciting to you and you want to start earning some cryptocurrency for doing things that you're already doing, I highly recommend checking out the Coinbase debit card. You must have a free Coinbase account, but that's a 5-minute sign up. And once you have your account, you can join the card's waitlist and become approved within about a week. And after that, you can start loading funds to your account and start paying with the card immediately to start earning rewards just like I am. If this video has been helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.